Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the top best pressure cookers you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. We're not shocked that the market for multi-cookers has skyrocketed. The allure is that pressure cooking characteristics make cooking more convenient and often faster, without sacrificing flavor or texture. Furthermore, because multi-cookers have a compact footprint, about 12 inches wide and 13 inches high, they are easy to store, reducing countertop clutter. We discovered that many multi-cookers on the market offer characteristics that overlap, such as the capacity to pressure cook, slow cook, and saute. Having said that, certain crucial aspects distinguish certain models. I have prepared this video guide for the best pressure cookers, so let's get started. 3. Breville Fast Slow Pro Pressure Cooker. The Breville Rapid Slow Pro, a multi-cooker with pressure and slow cook options that automatically adjust time, temperature, and pressure between fast and slow cooking, makes it all possible. Dual sensors at the top and bottom monitor ingredients for more precise temperature and pressure management, while the hands-free steam release automatically adjusts to maximize flavor and texture across dishes. The knobs on the front of this 6-quart cooker allow users to automatically adjust pressure, temperature, and time. While your dinner is cooking, the LCD screen displays the cook time, temperature, and other functions. This model has a hands-free steam release as well as several cooking settings such as pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, steaming, and searing. Special culinary functions on the Breville include those for vegetables, rice, risotto, soup, stock, beans, poultry, meat, stew, and desserts. 2. Cuisinart CPC 900. Cuisinart's multi-cooker, which comes in stainless steel and gray with an easy-to-use digital display, performed admirably in all of our tests. The rice was tender and fluffy, the chickpeas made creamy hummus, and the chicken pulled properly. With only 4 buttons and 1 knob that are self-explanatory even without consulting the handbook, it's simple to program. Because of its streamlined form, the inner pot is dishwasher safe, and the lid is simple to clean. The well-designed lid was ultimately what propelled this model to the top of our rankings. With a simple twist of the top knob, it opens, closes, and locks. There's no need to struggle to attach it, and there's no need to wonder if it's locked or not. 1. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1. Instant Pot, one of the most well-known pressure cooking manufacturers, offers a wide range of models with varying features and prices. The Duo is a conventional electric pressure cooker and slow cooker featuring rice, sautéed cuisine, oatmeal, soup, stews, and yogurt capabilities. The Keep Warm option keeps food warm before eating, and the Delay Start function allows you to schedule a future cooking time up to 24 hours in advance. This type is available in 4 sizes, 3, 6, 8, and 10 quarts, with a microwave-safe inner top and pot for quick cleanup. The Instant Pot Duo TM is the one that began it all. It's simple to use, simple to clean, quick, adaptable, and convenient. It takes the place of 7 kitchen appliances, a pressure cooker, a slow cooker, a rice cooker, a steamer, a sauté pan, a yogurt maker, and a warmer. Cook your favorite foods with the touch of a button thanks to the 13 built-in smart programs. So guys, this was the video about the best pressure cookers. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.